Good morning, it is June 13th, and we are packing up in a wind farm. So yeah, today we get to walk through that. We're going to do about 11 miles, allegedly. But yeah, it was a good night. We did the night walk, and we had some glow sticks and stuff. Did 17 miles. It's getting hot. It's about it's a little after 9 now. Yeah, 9:02. Yeah, we're gonna get hiking. Alright, headed off for the day. Well, that's neat. This tree has all these fruit. They all do a little bit. That one too. Yeah, seed pods or something. That's cool. So we're walking straight towards the hills, and this one just turned on, and that one's going, but there's not really much wind today, so not a lot of them are spinning. But yeah, it's kind of neat to walk through a wind farm. You can hear the turbines, and I'm also kind of glad like not a ton of them are spinning, in the sense of creating shadows, because I think that just would annoy me, like the consistent blinking shadow. But yeah, it's like 10 something, so the sun's getting pretty high anyways. But yeah, I don't know what to say. So the night hike last night was, again, I said it was kind of fun, but it also, I can't night hike. I'm way too stumbly. The only reason why I did it is because it was on a road for the whole 17 miles. But yeah, if it was night hiking on this kind of trail, it would have been a little tricky. Like, this trail's nice and wide, but like some of these bushes are pretty thorny, and I would kind of stumble off trail if I was night hiking on something like this, for sure. But yeah, just making my way through the field. Oh look, now it's really going. And then those are the shadows it creates. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say other than I'll be like maybe in Tehachapi in like, or some of us are doing like 11 miles today. I'll see how I feel once I get to the water cache. I'm gonna take a nice long break there, or not water cache, the water, in 5 something miles. But we're gonna be climbing uphill and pretty exposed, whatever. But I noticed that it's a long water carry from that water cache to the next water. It's like a good 15 miles or so. So I'll definitely have to load up with water because I'll be dry camping at some point tonight, later today. But yeah, I'll probably go 11. I might go 13 to another one just a little past it. But we'll see how tired I am. We're definitely on the desert floor, and it's like the highest 80 something degrees, but it's not very windy, so it feels a little stifling right now. But I'm doing okay. I mean, I like the heat in general. So yeah, and then I'll hopefully be in Tehachapi not tomorrow, but the day after. Like, so tomorrow, like, do 11 today, maybe do 15 or 18 or whatever, and then I think I'll have like 3 to 5 miles to go the next day, but I haven't looked at the mileage today yet. But yeah, having a good time. Just walking and walking.